Cow goes moo in the morning light. Sheep say ba with faces bright. Duck goes quack in the little blue pond. Frog says ribbit from the grass beyond. Cat goes meow, soft and sweet. Dog says woof with happy feet. Horse goes neigh and starts to run. Pig goes oink in the muddy sun. Birds go chirp up in the tree. Bee goes buzz so busily. Lion goes roar strong and loud. Owl says hoo from a branch up proud. Monkey goes ee as he swings so high. Rooster shouts cock-a-doodle-doo to the sky.